friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Once again, I brought for you the cotton exclusive. Once again, I brought for you from the exclusive collections from Cotton Weaving, cotton tent border come printed border sarees, weaving work sarees. These sarees you can purchase around 500 to 900 rupees at factory price, not the actual price I've shared with you. Please watch this video, subscribe the channel. Resellers, you can quickly add into your business to make your customers happy. These are our varieties. These collections are very pretty, very beautiful. This looks a formal and stylish look, very decent look also. So these collections are n number of varieties you can purchase with the light colors, the dark colors, temple based colors, also cultural, traditional, n number of these fancy varieties. You can also take a screenshot by watching this video and quickly you can add into your business. These varieties are very pretty. I'll just show you the color options with the samples. You can contact the Kesaria Manufacturers. And I want to share you, Kesaria Manufacturers is relocating near to Surat Railway Station. Please note down the details of Doriwala Square building near to Mohan Sweets opposite to Surat Railway Station. Just 2 to 3 minutes you can quickly, once you reach by the train, you can directly reach to your shop. So friends, you can directly come to visit, purchase, and you can start this year in this festival season. Clothing business, you have many more women apparels with sarees varieties. So let's see the samples. The first pattern, royal navy blue with jerry border sarees, beautiful pretty with navy blue, and this is the weaving mini border. You got a weaving and you have a designer based sarees. In this you have a beautiful lovely collections in this. So you have in this color options, you have a dark colors also. You can see the weaving. So these type of collections you can buy at factory price. So cotton resellers, if you want these varieties, you can contact online team and you can place an order. So one more color which is red with caramel yellow, caramel color based. This color also you have a butta work and bold border with the floral based collections. In this you have a beautiful lovely color options with this color chart. So this also you have a lovely pretty color. So next option which is yellow with matte golden yellow with piping work and this checks base. So specs based pattern of these sarees. So lovely color. This is a weaving work. So this is a pattern of saree with the golden border, and this also you have a different color charts. All these varieties I am showing you. You can take a screenshot and you can order into your business. You can take nearby your location. You can see the prices also. You can check it. Lovely collections. So one is mehndi green with navy blue, and you have a multi border in that silver weaving work has been done. You have a navy blue and blue with the coffee brownish weaving work pattern over here. This is also very pure cotton based weaving border come printed sarees. Next pattern, Rama green, lovely color. See, Rama green color based. So these sarees also you have a lovely printed come weaving work saree. Saree have a bold floral work, and this is a pallu, light Rama green color with navy blue pattern, which is a shade. It looks like light shade and the darker. So this is also one of the pattern. So all these color charts you have a different colors also. Next color which is dark yellow with traditional base border with royal blue and the checks pattern, multi weaving work. Checks you got it, again the stripes pattern. Checks you got the Rani color and the pinkish and the golden yellow with the bold leaf pattern. Weaving work has been done. And this also you got this color combination with the beautiful print. Next saree which is Rani color with Rani color base with light pinkish shade with mountain heavy border with silver border with the casual lovely collections. You have this kind of color charts. All these sarees you can buy at factory price. So 500 to 900. I have not shared the actual price. If you want to know the actual prices, you can contact or directly or the numbers which are scrolling on the screen. You can take a screenshot. You can talk to your online team. There is live video calling purchase also, you can do it. So every single languages we do have an online team to protect you, to guide you, to based on your requirement, on your state varieties, based on your location, you can purchase. If I talk about this section, you have a Gadwal cotton, Dola cotton, digital cotton, Malmal cotton, sequence work, embroidering work, print come jerry border sarees, silver jerry. So all kind of these collections you can add into your business. And we do have a box varieties, zipper package collections, and in every day if you have a shop, and at your shop also you can buy, you can put these kind of varieties of sample sarees quickly and easily. Every day single new varieties you can add into your business. When you start your cotton business, you should have multiple cotton varieties. Based in South, we have a lot many more varieties where cotton is very demanded based on the weather and the climate. So cotton is going many countries, yarn is exporting, and Surat is the biggest market for the textile industry. So that's why you have to visit Surat. And if you're visiting Kesaria Manufactures, before coming you can take a call, you can talk to our online team. There's a pickup drop facilities also. 20,000, 20 lakhs based on your investment. If you're a retired person, if you want to do side business, everything you have options. So today I've showed you cotton tent weaving work sarees. Hope you enjoyed these collections. So next video we'll meet with new more collections and new more informations. Keep supporting me. Share the comments from which city you're watching the video. Keep following. And subscribe the channel. Please share the link with bell icon. Just everyone, regular product update videos, you can do it, you can see quickly, you can do online shopping. So keep supporting. Next video we'll meet. Until then, take care. Bye bye.